Hi guys, welcome to Indu's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very healthy and delicious snack called as apricot coconut balls. These are really little treats that you can treat yourself to any time of the day. They're completely refined sugar free. They only have dates, apricots and coconut flour. So let's get started. Soak dates and apricots in hot water. I have about half cup of apricots and 10 apricots and dates, and soak them in hot water for about 15 minutes, and then just put them in a blender or food processor along with all the hot water that you use to soak them, and just blend them nicely till smooth, so that it's all pasty and there are no chunks. So give it a few pulses and see, I have a paste there, so that's how it should be. Now I transfer that to a bowl, and I'll do the rest of the mixing in the bowl. Now if you have a really good large size food processor jar, you could probably do the rest of the steps in that as well. I just prefer doing it this way because my food processor jar is small, and I kind of like doing the rest of the process by hand, using my hands to form the dough. So here I added a pinch of cardamom, a pinch of salt, and if you are AIP and don't want cardamom, you can use just lemon zest for flavor really. And then added the half cup of coconut flour, and mixing everything well together using my hands here. As I said, I just find it much easier to use my hands, that way I can feel the texture, and if it is too sticky, then I can add a little bit of coconut flour if needed. And now here I have the shredded coconut. I use Bob's red mill or shredded coconut, or any kind of desiccated coconut which is unsweetened you can use. And then you just roll the dough into balls, and into smooth rounded balls, and then roll them again in the shredded coconut so that sticks to the top of it, and that's it. Your apricot coconut balls are ready. So this is what I usually do all the time. Very simple, and it's a very healthy snack when you are craving for something sweet. You don't want to eat really any of the refined sugar treats, but this is a nice little treat you can give yourself, which is actually nourishing as well. Here I show you some variations. So you could add things like carrot puree or probably even beet puree to the same mixture, and you get different flavored, like carrot flavored or beet flavored apricot coconut balls, and these are great as well. Just make sure you don't add any water to them, to the carrots when you puree, and then just mix that carrot puree with the dough. You could also do things like add spirulina mixed in with a little bit of water, and add that spirulina extract to the dough as well, and you can get spirulina powered apricot coconut balls. So these are some variations, and they are super delicious as well.